Welcome, retail traders. We're going to talk about a stock called LVS. Las Vegas Sands announces they're going to put $300,000 investment in Nevada partnership for the homeless youth. I think that's a real nice gesture of them. I'm bullish on this stock as we go into the low support area, and I'm looking at it to buy it. I'm going to do this in 3 different steps. And I'm going to pull up the chart right now. I think LVS has $2 billion in cash, and they're redoing some property. I know they're taking this time right now to restore some property, and they've got places. The company owns 5 resorts, 5 in Mexico or Mancoa or whatever that is, China and Singapore, and 2 in the home of Las Vegas. So they were doing pretty good, and then COVID came and it kind of cut them short, and they're starting to build back up. And I think they're just in a bottom right now, and we're going to go ahead and check out the chart. I love the chart on this one. I'm ready to do my 1, 2, and 3 steps. This is resistance, support, the pivot point, and resistance. The support, usually try to get in there on some kind of pattern, some kind of reversal ID, some kind of flag. We have consolidate in step number 2, and then we break out in step number 3. And that's going to be a pretty nice little resistance level. We are back to COVID lows that we had back when COVID hit. We had the big crash, and we're almost there again. So I'm looking at a double bottom at 37.91 to go into the trade real strong. The first entry, I think tomorrow, if it pulls back to 40.58, or I start to see a reversal, I want to get into step 1 and then take it to step 2 and start to build some consolidation, and then break out into step 3. So if you get past 51.85 in that step 3 process, we could go ahead and go a lot higher, maybe hit up here at 60.44. But for right now, this is going to be a 3-month trade swing, and I think if it pulls back, I'm going to start taking it up and hope I can get out of this box here by the 3rd month, step number 2 into step number 3. I know it sounds a little complicated at first because it's less congenial than most traders, but I want to make it simple to dummy it down for traders like me and other ones that are out there that are new, starting to the game. It's not for the people that think they're a novice and they have the real huge ego. This plan is set up to take an easy, relaxed approach to a swing trade. So this is LVS. I think we're in step number 1 right now. We have a 37.91 low. We have a 40.55 second support, and then we busted past the first one here at 43.14. We have to go past that to break it into step 2. We build upon that, build some kind of pattern like we did here. We could have the retracement back up to that 51.84 and break that Darvis box. This is a Darvis box ascending triangle breakout that we had. I want to see that same kind of pattern form and try to get out at step number 3. So this is LVS. Keep on watch. I want to keep doing updates on this all week long, and we're going to find the perfect entry, but I think we're approaching to it right now. What would be nice if we built a higher low. So if we're able to get to this 40.58 tomorrow, I'll probably start my first contract. Now let me look at the contracts here on LVS. We got the August 20th, and if you wanted to go farther out, maybe to September, let's go September the 17th. We can get them contracts real cheap down here. We can get them here. We got 9,000 contracts at the $45 strike. That sounds like that's the one you want to take. And then maybe a lotto here at 55. But I like that 45, and I also like this one right above it, in the money at 40. So those are the 2 choices to take. That's going to be September 17th, 2021. Now, for a fast lotto scalp play, I'd be looking at August 20th. And I would probably get in the money on these 2 and maybe even take the $43 strike, but I like this 41. Get in that 41 strike and then swing it for about a week. And that's going to be August 20th. And then if it starts to run and break out, you've got the option to scalp it this week. This will be like a day scalp. Get in here. Oh, I don't know. I'll stick with that August 20th. I don't even want to. I'll come in here and scalp this on my own. But yeah, this is the one you want to probably take. The August 20th. Either between the 41, the 42, and maybe the 43. Even get up here to the 45. Take a risk even at the 50 and scalp it. But that's it. Make up your own mind. Get in smart trade. I think this is going to be a long swing, and I'll go in small at first and add on. Everybody have a great day. We'll keep you updated on this stock. I'm going on vacation soon, so probably in September. Going to spend a week in Jamaica after I get my second COVID shot. I'm going to enjoy a little bit of time up there and come back. So see ya. Have a great day.